Alright, so what interests me about science? Just as a disclaimer here, I'm using my cell phone, so you just have to bear with me here. Alright, so ever since I remember, my dad's been flying planes over my head ever since I was a baby, so I was definitely very interested in why planes actually flew and why humans do not. So I've had to learn that it's just a scientific fact, and humans have had to learn that, and just the fact that we now know this has opened up so many awesome things for our society with flying, and this is my primary motivation because that's one of my passions as well. Another thing that I like about it is that science, for the most part, is pretty straightforward. It's just something that you can really see, and for the most part, there is either a right or a wrong answer to certain things. For example, 2 plus 2 is always equal to 4. It always will. And philosophically, do we really know what 2 means or what it is? Not really. We have this idea that we think that we know what 2 is, but, do I really care? Not really. 2 plus 2 equals 4. I'm okay with that. Another thing is that science has a lot of valuable skills. This is me actually volunteering to help this child learn how to put together a framework for an airfoil. So it's just growing up, especially for career paths, but not even career paths, but life skills. It's good to know science. Obviously it'll get you a pretty great job, but you'll also see the world you'll see the world differently if you embrace science. The last thing here, science is really directed outwards. Nobody really cares about making an invention for themselves. What good is that? You make inventions and you think of new things for the benefit of mankind as a whole. And here, this is LASIK surgery. I actually got the surgery about a year ago, and I had really crappy vision, but now I see 20/20. So it's just a remarkable feat that science has done, and it's just an amazing thing. So that is why science is important to me.